Hello everybody, welcome again with another live forex analysis video. In this video we are going to do some fresh live analysis of gold, and we will also share our trading ideas of gold for intraday trading with all of you guys. So without wasting any time, let's come to the point. First of all, we will discuss about our previous analysis. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel, and if you are our old subscriber, so we did this analysis in our previous video, and we said that if market break this level, then there's a high probability chance that market will go in this supply area, and if market break this support area, then the next target should be almost here, and if this level will break, then the next target should be almost here. So let's move on H1 time frame and see. So this was the level. I told that if market break this level, then next target should be almost here. I think that time there was a news, so market come down and then move upward. So the main level was here. So I told that if market break this level, then market will go upward to this supply area. So market is going well. So here I can't post a proper signal, I can't give a proper signal and proper entry exit point, so that's why you should join our copy trading room. In our copy trading room you can copy our all trades on your account. So here I can post only analysis, I can post only predictions, so I can't post proper signal here. So without wasting any time, let's come to the point. So now basically if we move on H4 time frame, so we said that if market break this level, then the next target should be almost here, and market is in the way of this level. Okay, so if we move on H1 time frame, look here. So the previous resistance, minor resistance, is almost here. Market is breaking this resistance level. So as you know that our target is almost here. So if just wait a second, yeah, here, if this candle make a retest of this level and then move upward, then there will be a nice trade. So just wait for the retest of this level, and if you get the retest of this level and move upward, see any confirmation, candle confirmation to upward, then you can open a buy trade towards this area. So this will be a nice setup. Otherwise we have a minor support almost here, and if market comes again in this range, break this range, make a retest of this level, then there's a high probability chance to go market downward. So these two trading ideas, let's see what will happen. So the more probability chances that market will give a retest of this level and then start moving upward. So these are the trading ideas of gold for today. Please like this video, share this video with your friends and in forex groups. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel, and don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live updates from us. And if you want to get exact entry or exit points, then you should join our copy trading room. So if you want to join our copy trading service, please contact us on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is given in the description box. See you in next video with live analysis. Take care. Bye bye.